Next is the obstacle. So when we are measuring chaining, I told there is a measurement chain will be there. So in that chain, so consider this is the chain. So there is a 2 point, one A and B. So this is A and this is a B. So these are the 2 points, 2 points where you have to be measured. These are the A and B are the 2 points you have to be measured. So in between these measuring points between A and B, there may be a obstacle. So there is an obstacle, so you can't able to put a tape or chain anything in between A and B. Okay, so consider this is B point. Okay, this point is B. Okay. This point is B. You can't do this measurement in between A and B. So at that time, so what are the different types? So for different types of the problem you can able to arise as. So consider there is a some mud is there. Okay, you can able to see from point A to point B. You can able to see, but you can't able to do a ranging. I told what is the ranging. Ranging is nothing but a straight line where you can put three like what is that wood like materials that I told it is a like a stick like structure with a banded red and white banded. These three keep close to each other, one to one. Okay. In a straight line. So giving the direction towards a first, this is the consider this is the first one, this is second one, this is third one. Giving direction first one to second one or third one to make this all three in a straight line. So that is what called as ranging. So the distance between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 may be different, but keeping all these three sticks, or that is sticks, we should not call as a sticks, that is a ranging rods. It technically we will say that one as ranging rod. So that ranging rod all together it looks like a perfect straight line. So this ranging, first one is the problem for this ranging. Okay, so what is this, the problem in the ranging? So you can't do this ranging. I told whatever I'm showing here, the keeping three ranging rods, here one and here one, so making all these three together in a straight line. So you can't do this one and this one. Okay, so that is the problem. So ranging you can't able to do it, so there is a problem. So there is a problem in between these two. Okay, so what is that you have, you can't first one is you can't do ranging. Second one is you can't see, you can see the point A and you can point B, but chaining you can't do it. So chaining it will goes chaining will go like this. You can't chain, or you get tape. Tape by keeping from point A to B, you can't do it. Okay, so that is the second problem. Third one is you can't do ranging, you can't see the from B point from A. You can't see this point from this one, and you can't measure also. Consider in our college, so there is a civil department is here, the building is there, there is a one hill was there. Okay, so another end there is a national highway road. So from one our building, so we can't able to see the uh, uh, we can't able to see the road from the civil department building. So either we can't see and we can't keep a tape and measure from this point to our building from a road. So this is a road. Okay. So from this road to our building you can't do it because of this hill. So this is what the obstruction, this is called as obstruction. One is chaining and another is ranging. These two we can't do it. So that's about this three types of the problem. So one is obstacle, so problem, you can't see the you can't do the ranging, another is you can't do the chaining, and another is we can't do chaining and both chaining and ranging. So these three types of the obstacle we will encounter. So what is this three types of the encounter? What is the problem? So how to do that? So all this you will see one by one. One second. See here, this is the first problem. This is the first one. First one is obstacle for only for ranging, not for chainage. Okay, so consider this was the hill. Okay, hill top. Okay, a little bit bund like structure is there. Okay, this is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. So there on top of it, there is a top of it a mud was there. Okay, this is the ground mud. Okay, so you can keep a ranging rod here. Sorry, you can keep a one ranging rod here. So ranging rod is only in this height, your height is only to this height. You can keep another ranging rod is here. Okay, you can see from here to here, you can see from here to you can't sorry, you can put a tape from here to here to here, and you can measure from here to here. So there is a no problem for chainage. But problem is you can't see from here to here. Okay, you can't see from here to here. Okay, that is the problem. So in this condition what we have to do it. Okay, so that's what the thing. Okay, so what you have to do is, so in this type, so both in which both ends are it is not visible. So that is a common it is not usually all the grounds are not perfectly flat. So in this method what you have to do is, so here there is another figure at the bottom. So what you have to do is, you have to keep one ranging rod here and one other ranging rod here. Okay, so next at the bottom you have to use the before going to this, first place the ranging rods at the both ends, and in between that one intermediate ranging rod also you have to keep it. So what you have to do is, by seeing this one, so you have to give direction to this one. So by seeing from here to here and here to here, you have to give a direction such that all this three ranging rods should be this one. This is one ranging rod, this is one ranging rod, this is one ranging rod. These three should be in a perfectly a straight line. Then what you have to do is, then you have to draw a perfect horizontal straight line. After drawing a straight line, then what you have to do is, you have to make a random line. Okay, so that random line, okay, this is what the line. Okay, this is a random line. So you have to make perfectly let consider AB here. Whatever I'm showing here, there is another ranging rod, that point is B. Okay, let AB be the line in which AB are not visible from intermediate point on it. Through A, draw a random line AB1. Okay, so that AB1 is here. Actually there is another one line is here, that is AB1. Okay, so just at some angle to this is one perfectly horizontal line. So for this perfect line you have to draw one random line. For that random line that is AB1. So this is AB1. This is AB1. In the convenient form directionally to nearly towards the B possible. So the point B1 here, the B1 here, B1 here, B1, the point B1 should be chosen such that B1 is visible to B. Where is B? Here, bottom, here. Okay, so that should be visible to B, and B1 is perpendicular to the random line. Okay, so here whatever the random line I'm showing, that should be drawn perpendicular to this. Okay, this is the baseline. What color I should? So consider this is the baseline. For this yellow color should be, this should be the perpendicular 90 degree. So perpendicular to the random line, measure B1. So what is the B1 means? Here there is a here B1 is there. Okay, here B is there. So actually there is a one line is there that is not visible in this photo. Actually this is like this, how one triangle will comes, same way here also one another line was there. So that line is here. Okay, which I am showing in the red line. So that is B. Here top it is B1, bottom it is B. So line B1 is a perpendicular to the random line. So this is the random line. Random line. So measure B1, B and B1, whatever I'm showing the red line. So it should be measured. So point C1 and D1 on the random line. So here the C1 and D1, you should also be draw a random perpendicular line to the this perpendicular to the random line. Okay, so then this C1, what is the C1 length should be measured by using this formula. Okay, what is that? AC1 divided by AB1, okay, into BB1. Okay, what is this? AC1 means here from here to here, whatever the distance is there, this is AC1. Okay, so you want to measure CC1 means you have to take this one, okay, this one into AB1. So what is AB1 means? From B1 is here. Okay, so this total distance from here to here you have to measure AB1 into B1, B into BB into B1. Okay, this distance, perpendicular distance. So this is just a method I'm explaining. So no need, just what you have to do is write this figure. So then explain about take this ranging rod which is not be visible, and write this figure, and try to say that this line perpendicular to the random line, and write this one formula and this one formula. Just mug it up these two formulas and just explain it. Okay, so this is not very common question which they will ask in a regularly. So this is only for the explanation purpose, just I'm explaining this. This is very unimportant for the examination point of view. The next point, so only for the explanation for the obstacle for ranging, I'm explaining this method. Apart from that, it is not important for examination view of point. Okay, but only for the explanation purpose, for the to know how to read the obstacle for ranging, I'm explaining this. That's all. Okay, so just you try to mug up or try to understand what is this concept. Okay, later you can if there is any problem you can solve it, but no problem will be asked on this. So try to try to know the concept. Okay, so this is only obstacle for ranging, so this is not much important for the problem. Next, the second one is obstacle for the chaining. Okay, so this for the obstacle for the chaining, so that is very important. All the problems on this are very important. Okay, so that I will explain one by one. So try to see the video twice and thrice and know the concept each one, then only you can solve the problem. Okay, second video is the obstacle on chaining. We'll upload it in the next video.